In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix iPhone ear speaker not working after iOS 26 update. Let's get started. First, launch your settings app, navigate to the option accessibility. Now head over to the option touch. Now scroll down and click on the option called audio routing. Make sure it's set to automatic so audio can switch correctly between the speaker, receiver, and other outputs. Next, go back to accessibility, tap hearing devices, and turn on hearing aid compatibility. After that, return once more to accessibility menu, open audio and visual. Now scroll down to the balance slider, make sure it's centered to avoid audio being pushed entirely to one side. For the second fix, increase your speaker volume during an actual phone call. Since the in-volume call is separate from the system volume, simply answer a call, open control center and raise the volume slider. The third fix is to test with a Bluetooth device. Connect your Bluetooth earbuds, answer a call, and check if audio works through them. If Bluetooth audio works but the ear speaker still does not, the issue is likely hardware related and you should contact Apple support. And that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.